What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a really cool special video for you today. We're back with the Chevy 1500s. I'm super excited. I got a bright red Chevy RST 1500 Silverado. I am not totally sure on the year. I'm going to let you know all that here soon, but this video is filmed in reverse. I got caught up whenever this truck got here and I couldn't get out and film the video, so I'm looking at a done truck right now, but this is the beginning of the video. So stay tuned, watch the process. I do have a full install video of this truck ready to go, but I don't have the beginning clip showing the truck before. Just imagine this truck not lifted though. That's what it looked like before. So very excited about it. We're doing some 22 by 12 Artem wheels, the Curvis. It's that gloss black wheel. And we're doing the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit. It's my favorite lift kit, obviously, you guys know that. It's very, very nice. It's gonna look good on this truck. So I'm gonna show you a little sneak preview of the truck, but just from the headlights up so you don't see the wheels and stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so here's our Silverado. I can't show you anything because it's done, but this truck's gonna look awesome. I can't wait to show you the lifted product of this truck. It looks amazing, looks awesome. red truck is done, and I couldn't be happier with it. The wheels and tires look amazing. The lift kit looks amazing. I really wanted to say I appreciate the customer for coming and you guys making all this possible. I've taken a couple of weeks off YouTube to try to clear my head and get back excited about this again. It's hard not to get burned out with every single day doing the same things over and over and over, but I'm doing 3 videos right now, and I'm super excited. I feel like I'm back in my groove and ready to go. So enjoy this video. Stay tuned. There'll be other videos coming daily, hopefully, after this. So appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to get out right now and show you this truck. It looks awesome. So here is our beautiful red Silverado 1500 RST. If you don't know what the RST means, it stands for Rally Sport Truck, and it really just means painted bumpers. I love that about this truck. You know, it's not chrome, it's not like flat black, whatever. It's not, it matches. And that makes the wheels look really good. It makes everything stand out. They did some color match rear bumpers on this truck as well. Truck looks really good. He has a dealer tag, so it looks like he just bought this truck. Love the way it looks. The 37 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT Trail looks awesome on this 22x12 wheel. It sits very, very nice and square on the wheel itself. This tire has a 45,000 mile warranty. It's really one of the smoothest, longest lasting all-terrain tires we sell. A lot of these trucks that we do the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit on, we do 26s and stuff like that, but I'm assuming this customer just wanted the good ride. I drove this truck around and you can't even feel the tires on it. It doesn't even feel like off-road at all. The wheel is the Artem Curvis. This is a 22x12, like I said. This is a gloss black wheel. It's a very, very good price wheel. It's a cast aluminum. This is from a company out of Carolina, Artem. They make a very, very nice selection of wheels. Check them out if you want to. Their website, I'm pretty sure, is artemwheels.com. Looks awesome. Moving on to the lift kit. This is our standard McGaughys cross member here. This is how it comes. This is gloss black with the silver accents. The kit comes with the struts right here, adjustable. These are set at 9 inches. They're adjustable from 7 to 9. Gives you very, very good angles on your axles, on your ball joints, your tie rods, everything. The upgrades that this customer did on this kit, the upper control arm right here is a very, very nice upgrade. You really need it to go 9 inches. You don't have to have it, but it's really nice to go 9 inches because your ball joint angle is very good. The factory ball joint angle takes a suffer right there at 9 inches, so this is better. The ball joint caps that you can buy for the upper control arms, he chose the black ones on this. They sell polished or black, so those are a very nice add-on. Covers up your ball joint and all your grease fittings. Truck has a really nice stance to it now. Can't really beat that going down the road. That McGaughys cross member with some wide wheels like this looks awesome. I hope the customer loves the truck. I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you have any questions about this truck, like if you want to price it or ask how it drives or anything like that, you guys can call me. 678-994-9180 is my phone number. I'm here at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia every day. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you want to see the price of this build, just watch after this clip. I'm going to throw a quote in there for you for this truck and exactly everything he got done. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week.